How to make money at 22. 7 ways for a successful career. Most people don't make their first million until they are in their early 30s, but that doesn't mean you can't start making money sooner. Meanwhile, it's easy to think that the beginning of your career is a time of uncertainty, but if you keep a positive attitude, there are many ways to get started making money at your age. In fact, there are plenty of options for making money at your age. You can start by building a business, starting a side hustle, or simply working full-time to build up some savings. But let me tell you the ways. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solutions channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1 that you can do is start your own business. Here's the thing about starting a business. You have to commit to it. Once you decide that you want to start a business, you have to make sure that you really want it. You have to make the decision to pursue your dreams, not just thinking about it or talk about it. When you are ready to take the action, do everything you can to support your decision. I want to work for myself. I wanted to set my own hours, have flexible hours, work when I felt most. It sounds wonderful, but the reality of starting a business is not always the way it looks in movies and TV shows. In reality, business owners often work long hours with little or no control over their schedule. They are often subject to office politics and must deal with unruly clients. Starting a business is a lot to be prepared to put in long hours every day to keep the business running smoothly. It is possible to start a business that suits your personal needs, but must be willing to make some sacrifices to reap healthy fruits. Number 2, retail. Important is it to have a new product. If you haven't been following the retail industry, you might not realize the significance of having a new product. When people go shopping, they often have a list of things they need to buy during their visit. Most retailers keep the line moving and keep customers busy until the point where their product is purchased. They want the shopper rather than having with a bag that isn't filled. So when you have unique product in your store, people tend to buy them. Number 3, start food blogging. There are several reasons why food bloggers are becoming increasingly popular. These videos are fun and easy to make. They require minimum equipment and can be done in just a matter of hours. Food bloggers can make money from YouTube by starting out small, building up an audience, and then monetizing their efforts with ads. They often build an audience before they start to experiment with making money with advertising. I don't think I need to explain how much I love food, so I'll give you 2 reasons why starting a food blog can be one of the best ways to gain attention for your business and build your audience. First, it's fun, and second, it provides insight into your own life. It's not a hard sell, but a natural fit. Number 4, earning from gaming. There's a lot of money to be made in the world of gaming. Whether you're just starting out or you're already a professional gamer, there's still a lot of money to be made as long as you're willing to put in the work. Gamers don't necessarily earn money directly through their video game play, but rather by taking advantage of online marketplaces for virtual goods. Some marketplaces operate as pure games where players pay a monthly fee to access certain features or to enter certain events. Others offer a variety of non-gaming services too. Number 5, do transcription. Transcription is an online service that offers transcriptionists the opportunity to earn money while transcribing audio files. Many companies and individuals hire transcriptionists to describe their recordings. If you are looking to earn money by transcribing, there are some questions to ask yourself. How much time do you spend transcribing? What is the average rate you pay per transcription? Then start offering your skills and cashing it. 6. Invest in crypto. One of the hottest new technologies on the market is the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Although this may seem like an investment, in reality you can turn it into a lucrative side hustle. Start mining Bitcoin, invest in Bitcoin mining equipment, earn money while you're relaxing on your couch. To invest, just go to crypto exchange search at Kraken and enter a few keywords into the search bar. They will provide you with a list of all the coins with similar names but different addresses. Invest in the one that looks like it has the most potential, especially if you see the demand there is for it. Once you have made your investment, wait for some days and analyze the trends and sell the coins as it reaches its maximum price. If you decide to invest a second later, wait until the price has lowered and repeat the same process. Also, watch a detailed video on how to earn from Bitcoin. Number 7, do freelancing on Upwork. I'm guessing you have already heard about Upwork. If not, it's a site where freelancers and clients come together to find jobs. There are 2 categories of people on Upwork: clients and freelancers. Clients are businesses while freelancers are individuals. Freelancers usually specialize in certain areas such as writing, design, programming, marketing, and many others. Clients usually need to help with a specific task and need it done quickly. In addition, Upwork is one of the best places to find people to help you with tasks ranging from simple writing to web design. You can start right away on this platform to earn as a freelancer. The most common categories for freelancing are graphic design, web development, writing, marketing, software engineering, social media management, translation, and content creation. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many different ways to make money. Some are more effective than others. It all depends on your skill, knowledge, experience, and the niche you want to specialize in. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.